Thanks everyone for tuning in to the Always Bookkeeping YouTube channel. My name is Alana, and today I'm joined by one of the owners of Always Bookkeeping, Tony.
Hi everyone.
Tony.
Hi Alana, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. Happy to be here talking
Excellent.
about bookkeeping with you today. So yeah.
Excellent. I'm really excited to learn about bookkeeping. I don't know a whole lot about it.
I'm more than happy to help you understand what bookkeeping and what we do on a regular basis.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Well, let's just jump into it. We're going to start today with Tony's favorite quote, "Time is money, and we can help you with both." I believe that's even written on your business cards.
That's correct. We just got our new business card a couple of weeks ago.
Nice.
And I'm pretty proud of that quote I came up with. Time is money. We're your bookkeepers. We help you save time, and we work with your money every day. So that's the quote I came up with.
Love it.
Awesome. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. According to Statistics Canada, 50% of all small businesses in Canada will fail within 5 years. And 29% of these businesses will fail because they run out of money. This is entirely avoidable with the right bookkeeper. So, Tony, let's just jump into it. How long have you been in bookkeeping?
I actually have background in accounting, so I went to NATE for 2 years. Got my first job with the Spuro team, so that's someone we work really close with. So that's Spuro CPA, and that's one of the top accountant in Canada. So I was working with him, but always started in 2018, and that was started by Denise Mitra, which is one of my business partner. And we've been in business since then. We grow one client at a time. And here we are now, December 2025, about to head into 2026. Super excited for that. So 2018 was when we started Always Bookkeeping.
Excellent. And how big is your team right now?
So originally it was just Denise. So Denise started the company by herself, growing a client at a time. And now we have me as newest partner. So there are two partners, me, myself, and Denise, and we have an office in the Philippines located in Manila. Wow. So we have 3 team members there. So that would be Tio, Merck, and Almasri, the newest member for the Always team there.
Excellent. So it sounds like you're growing.
We are growing. We're happy to, have enough room now that we have Almasri started with us a few months ago. We have the capacity to take in new clients for 2026.
Excellent. Yeah. And where is that you operate out of?
We are operating out of Edmonton, Canada. We serve clients across Canada. And then we have, like I said, we have an office in Manila. And now we are expanding into the U.S. Clients. So that's what we are focusing more on 2026 as well, where we serve the U.S. clients.
Excellent. So you can serve people all over the world, but you also have that physical location in Edmonton.
We have a location in Edmonton, and all of our software and hardware are located here. So our clients can be sure that their documents are safely secure. And we started here, and then most of our original clients are here. So we meet with them in the office. However, we can accommodate online meetings. So we serve across Canada, like I said, so we can meet with them via Zoom or whatever software that they use. And then that helps us transition to the US clients where we already have experience with being a remote bookkeeper for our clients. So that helps.
Excellent. And Tony, tell me, what does your company do best?
What we do best at Always Bookkeeping is that we pride ourselves in with communication. So we contact our client, and then because we charge our clients on a monthly basis, we recommend our clients to ask questions, either giving us an email, a text, or a call, just because we want to make sure that they know they're not on a clock whenever they ask us the questions. So we want them to ask as many questions as they can, just because we know as business owners, there are enough stress already. So we don't want them to, either trying to learn on their own or trying to figure it out on their own. They can just pick up the phone, call one of our team members, ask the questions. So we pride ourselves on, the communication where we keep everything clear and help our business owners stay focused on their task, which is growing the business.
Great. And is that something that happens at other bookkeeping companies? They get charged for every question, or they get charged for every 15 minutes that the client is asking questions about?
Most of them do. A lot of bookkeepers / accountants charge you hourly. So whenever clients send you an email, give them a call or whatever they inquire about, they are on a clock. So they charge you based on the minutes that you call. When they pick up the call, you are on clock to being charged for asking a question. So a lot of the times business owners are afraid to ask the question just because they don't want to spend the money.
Right.
And they try to do things by themselves, which 99% of the time are incorrect just because that's not their forte. They don't have background in accounting or bookkeeping. They're specialized in running a business, whether that's HVAC, plumbing, electrician. So that's why we differentiate ourselves with the other bookkeeping company, where we don't charge you whenever you ask us a question, and we want you to ask the questions instead of be afraid.
That's great. So your clients can feel free to ask any questions whenever they want and get the right answers and do things correctly all the time.
That's right.
I love that. That's a huge difference. You don't want people to be scared to ask questions.
Exactly. That's like you already know, there's no stupid questions. If you don't know, just ask. We're more than happy to help you.
So you'd rather a client ask you the question and do things correctly than not ask the question and then have to fix things.
That's right. So like I said, we recommend our clients to just pick up the phone or just send us an email whenever they have a question. It's easier for us to do it correctly the first time or show them exactly how they should be doing it this time and moving forward. It's just because we reconcile your bank accounts on a monthly basis. But if you do a deposit or an expense that we already did the reconciliation 6 months ago, we have to go back and unreconcile 6 months worth of work and redo everything to fix a problem that could have been avoided if you just ask us the questions, and we can just help you right then and there.
Great. I love that. So that's something that sets you apart and is really very valuable.
That's right. Yeah. Thank you.
Excellent. What are some other things that your company does?
What we do really well is because we charge you on a monthly basis. We don't charge you on an hourly. So we set up a monthly meeting with our clients every month to go over the numbers with you, so you know exactly how much you made last month, how much you spent last month, and that is the perfect time for business owner to ask us questions regarding, can we afford to buy a piece of equipment? Can we afford to hire another employee? Can we do certain things within the business that the monthly meeting helps you as a business owner understand where you are standing financially, instead of waiting for the year end where you just ask the accountant, how did we do last year versus how are we going to be able to improve this year. But with the monthly meeting, you can just make that decision without waiting for another 8 months or 6 months or 12 months to make that very important decision for your business.
Great. And other bookkeepers don't usually have that monthly meeting?
They usually don't. They just happy to take your business at the year end, file it, and then hopefully that you're in business the next year to be able to do it all over again, instead of helping you along the way to make sure that you are going to be in business next year instead of hoping that you will be.
Yeah, and because it says that 50% of small businesses fail in 5 years, there's a good chance that something will happen to that business and not be there if you're not helping them along the way.
That's right. Stat says that most businesses fail within 5 years, but the main problem is that they fail with the cash flow. Even though their sales or the business are growing and the money coming in is quite strong, but if they don't have that monthly meeting, they don't know the numbers every month, they can make that mistake where they don't have enough cash to operate, whether their overhead is higher than they expected, they are spending money where they could be avoiding spending money, whether that hiring too many employees, expanding too quick, where they get a bigger space when they should wait another year or two. So that's when we educate them on those decisions on a monthly.
That's great. That sounds really valuable.
Yeah.
And who is your ideal client?
We don't have an ideal clients. We are more than happy to work with Joe the Plumber or someone that makes $1 million a year. We are here to help you grow. So whether you're just starting out as a sole proprietorship, that is another topic that we will be talking about on another video. But we can definitely help you whether you are a barber that makes $50,000 a year, or you are a doctor that makes $500,000 a year, or a house builder that makes $1 million a year. So we don't have a specific type of clients we work with. We work with anyone that just starting out, trying to grow the business, and we are here to help them grow the business.
Excellent. And is it important that all businesses have a bookkeeper? And how important is that?
It's quite important for you to have a bookkeeper, and for you to have a good bookkeeper as well, just because they know what they're doing. They expense or categorize your expenses correctly and help you understand your finances. It helps your business at the year end to be organized. Your accountant as a business owner would love you if you have a really clean book at the year end, and that would also save you tons of money at the year end, just because the accountant won't spend a whole lot of time to reconcile your books, make sure that they are correct. If you don't have a bookkeeper and you make the mistakes throughout the years, then they would spend even more time working on your books before they file your tax returns.
What is one thing that you try to do better every single day?
Every single day I try to understand each client a little bit better, just because we work with a lot of industries. So I tend to talk to the business owner more on a personal level, what we can help them with, take the burden of running the business, even just a tiny bit. That would be something that we want to do a little bit better.
That's great.
Every day, yeah.
Why are you so passionate about doing what you do?
I'm passionate about bookkeeping, accounting, just because I know the rate of failed business in Canada is quite high. 50% of business fail within the first 5 years. And I want to change that. And with the right bookkeeper and the right support in the back end on the other side of a small business, that's what I'm happy to come to work every day, be able to talk to the business owner, help them understand the finances, support them in a way where they are not afraid to look at the numbers, learning about finances, just because, like everyone, business owner, they don't want to look at the numbers and just kind of push it aside, and then just let it figure itself out, or just don't deal with it until it becomes a much bigger problem at the year end. So I like to help business owner, grow, take the burden out of their plate every day, so that they can just focus on growing it instead of doing the books or doing the numbers, where that's where I come in and help them. And
what's a bigger goal that you have for Always Bookkeeping for the coming year?
So the coming year, we are focusing more on the international clients. So we are passionate about helping Canadian businesses, but we are also going to be helping U.S. businesses. So that's where we try to learn and improve more with Always Bookkeeping in 2026.
Exciting.
Yeah, very exciting. I'm super excited to be working with the new broader clients that we didn't touch in the past before with Always.
Well, I'll definitely be watching Always Bookkeeping to see how you grow in 2026.
I'm excited for that too.
And so tell me, Tony, what can a business owner do if they are looking to sign on with Always Bookkeeping or want to learn more about your services? What can they do?
So we make it very easy for a business owner. On our website, you can call us, sign up a intake sheet. So we just need your name, your email, and your phone number, and we'll reach out to you to sign up with a free initial consult. So that's where we evaluate your financial health. If you need any catch-up work to do, if you are a sole proprietorship, we would definitely help you with incorporating your newly business. But for the first part, we would meet with you for the first half hour to learn more about you, learn more about your business, and how can we help. And that's, of course, free of charge. Yeah.
And so they can get a hold of you online?
So they can reach us at alwaysbookkeeping.ca. And for our international clients, that's alwaysbookkeeping.com. You can call us at 780-554-8356. Either myself or my business partner, Denise, will be able to help you, and more than happy to help you whenever you give us a call.
Great. Thank you so much for that.
No problem at all.
And thanks everyone for tuning in to the Always Bookkeeping YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please drop them below and Tony will address them in a future video. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get some more great information about your finances, bookkeeping, and what you can do for your business in the future. Thanks, everyone.